Hello everybody, I'm looking at this Flich panel repair today, and I've just come across another classic example of accidentally cutting through panels you shouldn't be cutting through. So here's another case where when you're trying to decide how much to chop out, as I am here, you say, well, that's fine, I'll just chop through there, and you've just chopped through not one but two support panels. I just revealed the one behind there, which goes off in the other direction like that, but there's also another one here which we can see, and again you could be forgiven for saying, well, that's okay, I'll just zip it straight down there. Wrong, it goes off at an angle. So I've mentioned this before, and again I nearly done it myself, so you always got to look and look again, because very often there's something lurking behind where you want to cut. So one little feature we got to sort out here is on the original this is concave, it drops in, and on the pattern part is convex, so we sort of got to do something about that. Not that it matters which way it goes, it's just how you're going to blend that in nicely when they're pointing the opposite way. So let's go over to the bench and sort that out. So I found this piece of bar, that's the width of the feature. I've dropped it down the depth of the feature in the vise, and hopefully that should make a nice little temporary hammer form. So after a bunch more fettling, I think we're close enough now. I'm going to joddle this new repair panel, get that flushed in, and then I'll get the zip cut in here and try and bring that out flush with the original. Okay, that's the finished job. Turned out fine. Point is now I can at least get and start test fitting the sill, because now I've got a front reference, and if you're following along, you know we've got the heel board in, so we've got a front, a back and a floor, because we've got very little else thanks to the previous owner getting ahead of themselves. So we're getting there, so that'll be the next one, fitting the sill. Thanks ever so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.